In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer to your Deel account and withdraw your funds smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to prepare, and how fees and timing work so there are no surprises along the way. First, sign into your Deel contractor or freelancer account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile you use to receive payments for your work, since withdrawal methods are set per account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Finance, sometimes labeled as Wallet, depending on your interface. There, open Withdrawal Methods. This is where all of your payout options live, and where you'll connect Payoneer for future withdrawals. Click Add Method to get started. From the list of options, select Payoneer. Payoneer is supported by Deel, so you'll see it as a standard choice. If you already use Payoneer to receive international payments, this connection will let you move money from Deel to Payoneer in just a few clicks going forward. Next, enter your Payoneer details. Deel may specifically ask for your Payoneer receiving account information, especially for USD. A receiving account is the virtual bank account provided by Payoneer for a given currency. For USD, that typically includes the account and routing numbers Payoneer assigned to you. Enter those details exactly as shown in your Payoneer dashboard to avoid any verification hiccups. Before you continue, double-check that the billing address on your Deel profile matches the address on your Payoneer account. Even small mismatches, like a missing apartment number or different formatting, can cause delays or rejections. Take a moment to align both addresses now so transfers go through cleanly. With Payoneer added, you're ready to withdraw. Go to the Withdraw section in Deel, choose the amount you want to send, select Payoneer as the method, and confirm. Review the amount and destination carefully before you submit so you know exactly what will land in Payoneer. Here's what to expect on costs and limits. There's a 1% fee for Payoneer withdrawals, with a minimum fee of 12 USD. For example, a 600 USD withdrawal would normally be a 6 USD fee, but because of the minimum, you'd be charged 12 USD. The minimum withdrawal amount for Payoneer is 50 USD, so make sure your requested amount meets or exceeds that threshold. Finally, the payout ETA is up to 1 business day. Business days exclude weekends and bank holidays, so plan timing accordingly. If anything doesn't go through, recheck your receiving account details and make sure your Deel and Payoneer addresses match. That's it. You've connected Payoneer and completed a smooth withdrawal from Deel.